Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the text closely. Enable hidden characters so you see spaces, tabs, and breaks. Once done, check hyphenation, turn on automatic hyphenation or insert manual hyphens for long words to reduce gaps. Make sure to note narrow columns and many short lines because those geometries force large interword spacing. Now begin editing only the problematic paragraphs, not the whole document, so you can test fixes step by step and compare results immediately. Next, you change justification parameters. Reduce allowed word spacing ranges and set tighter min/opt/max values. Try 80% to 120% as a starting point. Once configured, consider slight character scaling or tracking. Use 1 to 3% only because too much alters legibility. Also insert discretionary hyphens and non-breaking spaces where appropriate, and replace hard returns with soft returns to guide line breaks. This gives the engine. To finish, you review each adjusted paragraph and refine, undo any extreme scaling or spacing that harms readability, and prefer subtle fixes. Once done, add manual line breaks sparingly, then test by exporting to PDF or printing because screen rendering can differ. If large gaps persist, make structural changes. Widen the column, slightly reduce font size by 0.5 to 1 point, or reword sentences. If problems continue, check hyphenation exceptions and remove problematic non-breaking spaces as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.